Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, look for the login option located at the top right corner of the screen. When you find it, click the login button to start the process of entering your account. After clicking the login button, you will see a list of sign-in options. Instead of entering a username and password manually, select the option that allows you to continue with Google. This approach leverages the authentication provided by your Google account. A list of Google accounts associated with your device will be displayed, so simply choose the account you wish to use for signing in to WordPress. Once you have successfully signed in, the next step involves accessing your media files. Open the media section by navigating to the media library area on your WordPress site. This library contains all of the uploaded images, videos, and other file types that you have stored on your site. Knowing where your media is organized makes it easier to maintain and clean up your library when needed. Within the media library, take a moment to review the content to identify the files you no longer require. When you have decided which media items to remove, click on each corresponding box to highlight them. Each click selects a file, making it easy to keep track of every item that will be deleted. After you have highlighted the unwanted media files, locate the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, which is positioned at the top of the media library interface. This drop-down menu contains several options for handling the selected files. The purpose of bulk actions is to enable you to modify or delete multiple items at once, making the process efficient and saving you from having to deal with each file individually. Within the bulk actions drop-down, you will see an option labeled Delete Permanently. Select this option to initiate the deletion process. Choosing to delete permanently warns you that this action is final, and the selected media items will be removed from your library without the possibility of recovering them later. Once you have selected the permanent deletion option, the final step is to confirm the deletion by clicking on the Apply button. This confirmation ensures that the files you selected will be permanently removed from your WordPress media library. After clicking Apply, the deletion process will be carried out and the selected files will no longer appear in your media section. Following these instructions will allow you to quickly and efficiently clean up your WordPress media library. Each step is designed to streamline the process and prevent clutter, ensuring that you maintain a well-organized environment for your website content. Stay attentive as you follow each step carefully to ensure that only the intended files are removed. Enjoy the benefits of a decluttered and efficiently managed media library on your WordPress site.